Here back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here going into New York Open. We do see that we are still on the level which we marked out on August 5th. We are in a very important psychological level. As you can see, we interacted with this level many times here in 2021, 2022, and a couple times in 2024. As you can see here, we used it as resistance in 2024 at the beginning of the year, and we're coming back to it right now. We're also on the 61.8% fib measured from this low over here in January up to this local top in March. Now we are printing a bullish descending broadening wedge. The macro structure still looks very bullish. Now there's something I must make you aware of, and that's the price action here on the 30-minute time frame. What we see on the 30-minute time frame is a rising wedge pattern. Be very careful in taking highly over leveraged positions here, as we are printing bearish divergence as we advance higher on this rising wedge pattern. Okay, so you can see that we're making these higher highs, consecutive higher highs, but we're also contracting, and the RSI is remaining flat over here. So wouldn't surprise me that we come down for a little bit of a retracement here on the small time frame. This would be considered our wall of worry. So this is our wall of worry. Okay, so this over here, from this low over here on August 5th up to this top right over here at the 50%, would be our EQ, sitting at 53,221 on the logarithmic scale. So don't be surprised if we see a push down to any of these fibs and then see continuation up from there. Now, going forward, what bulls would want to see, what crypto bulls would want to see, is a move back above this region over here. Okay, back above this region over here, we would want 4-hour closure above. Okay, 4-hour closure above this level here at $60,303. And the lower boundary of this range would be at 59,246. So as you can see, the price is contracting here. Don't be surprised if we see a little bit of a throwback towards the fibs below before we continue higher. Now, whenever you have a run up, there needs to be a healthy back test before we can do that. So this over here would be your initial advance, right? This is your initial advance, and in here you form a rising wedge pattern, and then this would be considered your wall of worry. We come down for a retracement, and then we can continue on higher, because this over here would be our protected low, because we have this back test, and then a push, and then a very nice push off from there with volume. Okay, so going forward, bulls would definitely not want to see us lose 51,488, and especially the 78.6% fib at 50,784. If we lose this level right over here, then it's likely that we'll come down for a deeper retracement. But so far, we do have a rising wedge. Breaking down from here wouldn't be something out of the ordinary, because we need that back test in order to call this our protected low over here. Okay, you would want to see if we do come down here, you would want to see a push off of it with volume. Okay, very similar action to what we have over here. So if we take a look here on July 5th, you can see that this over here was our wall of worry, right over here. Okay, then we came down all the way to the 78.6% retracement. Do you guys see that? You see how we came down to the 786? And once we got over here, all of these market participants up here were thinking that we're going to go ahead and meet these lows, but we just bounced from there and then created bullish order flow. Okay, so right now we have price action on the small time frame slowing down. Okay, so a breakdown wouldn't be something out of the ordinary, but going forward, bulls would want to see us hold 50,784 and 51,488, and then a push off from there with volume. I hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord so you guys can stay updated. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.